Yo, what's up, guys? Hello, welcome back to another Outlook. Today is Monday, start of the week. Um, we have right now on our watch list Euro USD, Euro HUD, Euro GBP, and CD GPY. And I want to say hello to all the people of the free Echo Discord as well, because I will probably be sharing this Outlook um, in the free Discord and I will be doing that every Monday, I think, since on Monday I do not trade normally unless I see a really nice opportunity. Then I do take my trades. But yeah, I wanted to share some stuff to the free Discord as well. So the rest of the days will just be on the paid Discord. And let's first start off with Euro HUD because we had a limit there from last week. I decided to just leave it since we were in a good position. We were right here. This is where the week started. And I was like, okay, I'll just leave it up and see how it goes. I took this trade on another account though. I didn't do it on my main account and just see how it goes. We did get tapped in already, and in my opinion, on the right time, like after 2 p.m. So I kind of like that, but right now we need to see the push down, right? It doesn't look right like it's gonna push down right now, but we still got time. We didn't hit our SL yet, so that's nice. So yeah, this is where we're in right now. Euro USD, what I'm looking at, uh, we hit this supply, right? Then we hit this supply as well, so we're in a nice supply chain. This is where we took our trade as well. We got tapped in nicely over here. Somewhere around here was a TP. We took 5%. And right now it didn't. It's a bit unfortunate it didn't break this. But what I'm looking at right now, I kind of want to tap this zone, to be honest, somewhere into this zone. So what I kind of want to see right now is an imbalance candle being created over here, and then we see a break of this. What's really nice, because right now we're tapping into lower time frames over here in this supply chain, right? And we're also in this daily zone. We already took a lot of liquidity from this daily zone. We tapped in here, then reacted over here again, but we didn't really break anything to the downside. So overall we're still bullish, but if we can get some confirmation right here that we're going to the downside, I'll probably uh, put my trades in the paid Discord, and we'll see if we can get a TP. But that's basically what I'm looking at for Euro USD. Fiber asked me if I wanted to look at Euro GBP as well. Right now we're in a chain here as well, which is kind of nice. We tapped into this 4-hour zone, not too deep though, but we tapped into it. uh Huge as range over here going on, but it doesn't really matter because right now we're tapped into this. We got tapped into the supply over here, and right now we're tapping into this supply, this candle, so that's nice. So if we could also create a nice imbalanced candle over here, and then I would wait for this break. That's the break I would wait for, not this, not over here, but this is the break I would wait for. So we could potentially get a nice short over here as well, um more to the downside. Let's take a look. Yeah, we got another zone over here. I think that's a daily zone, right? Yeah, that's a daily zone. Let me just mark that daily zone. And we have a 4-hour zone here as well. That's where we could go into. Would probably, yeah, it will probably give a nice reaction to this as well. So it's basically just waiting right now, but it looks like Euro does want to go to the downside. If I look at Euro USD, Euro HUD, and Euro GBP, but as well, I have to keep in mind that there's a lot of news coming this week, so we could do some crazy stuff and take position for all the news that's coming. So you have to take that into account, and also take into account that you probably want your trades to hit TP overnight, because tomorrow we'll be having news, the day after we'll be having news. So I probably won't be trading much since there's a lot going on, but maybe we can at least get some percentages today. It would be really nice. But yeah, it looks like all the euro pairs are right now in a supply chain. We're on low time from a bit of a range, what's quite annoying. But as I said, it's Monday. I don't normally trade Monday, and that's because Monday's always just shit for me, especially on the higher time frames. The last one I want to take a look at is NCD GPY. Right now we're in a nice daily zone. We tapped into it. We already tapped into it over here. Now we tapped the zero point 0.5 Genbox level. I think so, at least. Let's take a look. Yeah, we tapped the zero point 0.5 Genbox level. Really nice. Right now we're reacting to this zone, and if we could create a nice and balanced candle over here as well, and then get the break over here, we could at least get to this 4-hour zone, maybe even further, because if you look, we had a 4-hour break over here, taps into the daily zone. But if you look really closely, um where is it right here we had a daily break structure to the downside, and this is all internal right now, right? For the daily, this is all internal. So it's long, it's from September, but it's all everything over here is still internal, because we broke this structure over here from the daily. And um now we build all the way to the upside, and now we can at least expect a push to the downside again after a long time, on the daily time frame, probably. That's what I'm thinking, at least. So if we could get tapped into it, I wouldn't set my TP too far, because I have a fixed 5R for my trades. So I think we should at least get 5R on this one if we do end up getting an entry. So we got some nice opportunities, to be honest. Um, I like this one the most, NCD GPY. It looks really clean, the daily zone, all the internal structure that's building up to the daily zone. And if we could get some confirmations now that we can take trade, this trade could actually be really clean. I do not like this on Euro GBP. I do not like this sideways action. It's a bit annoying. I'm going to be careful with taking any trades on this one. Could be a bit more aggressive if I do this, but if I do get an entry, I'm going to have to take it since my strategy says so. And it's whatever. Probably take this on my other account as well, since I'm not quite sure about it. And then for Euro USD, we're gonna have to see, because it seems to be pushing up a lot, and I'm not sure, but we will see in 20 minutes. So the next outlook for anyone that's watching on the free Echo Discord, I will be putting another outlook next Monday. So if you want me to do an outlook on any of your pairs you're trading, let me know. If you got any questions, just let me know. And the rest of you guys in the paid Echo Discord, I will do another outlook tomorrow on anything that you guys want or anything I'm looking at. And yeah, that's about it. Talk to y'all later.